Welcome everybody. We are expected to integrate this. So foremost, I'll be utilizing this property. I'll start with let I be equal to this, and we know this property, integral a to b f of x dx is equal to integral a to b f of a positive b negative x times dx. So this is going to be rewritten as negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 sine squared of negative pi over 2 positive pi over 2 negative x times dx divided by 1 positive 2 raised to the power of negative pi over 2 positive pi over 2 negative x. Now this is equal to negative pi over 2 to positive pi over 2. Sine squared of negative positive goes up, giving me sine squared of negative x times dx divided by 1 positive goes up, 2 raised to the power of negative x. This is even function. So I have negative pi over 2 sine squared of x times dx divided by 1 positive 2 raised to the power of negative x. As I mentioned to you, this is even function. I can write this as integral, or I will say 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2. Okay, I will refrain from writing it like this. So let me just have this like in this fashion, and then I will add 1 and 2. Okay, now before adding 1 and 2, I would want to actually convert this in the following fashion. So this is negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 sine squared x over 1 positive 1 over 2 raised to the power of x times dx. So this is going to be 2 raised to the power of x positive 1 divided by 2 raised to the power of x, and you have sine squared x times dx negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. You flip this, you get negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. 2 raised to the power of x times sine squared x divided by 2 raised to the power of x positive 1 times dx. So I take this as 2, and you have I on the left side. So I add 2 with 1. So adding 1 and 2, we get, so what do you get? You have 2 times I is equal to integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2. This added with this. So I will have sine squared x positive 2x sine squared x times dx. Denominator remains the same, so 1 positive 2 raised to the power of x. So I can rewrite this as 2 times I is equal to negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 sine squared x. I can take it out, so I have 1 positive 2 raised to the power of x divided by 1 positive 2 raised to the power of x times dx. These two gets cancelled, giving me integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 sine squared x times dx. So let me go to the next side. So I have 2 times I is equal to integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 sine squared x times dx. But sine squared x is even. So this means I can rewrite this as 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x dx. Now I would like to utilize this property. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral 0 to a f of a negative x times dx, right? So therefore this is going to be 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 sine, let me write it like this, sine of pi over 2 negative x the whole squared times dx. So it's going to be 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2. This will give me cos x whole squared dx, which is going to be 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 of cos squared x dx. So on the left you have 2 times I is equal to 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 cos squared x dx, right? So 2 gets cancelled, so you have I is equal to integral 0 to pi over 2 cos squared x dx. Now again, over here you can see here I have 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x dx. On the left is going to be 2 times I. So clearly what we can do is we can actually get rid of this and have I, right? I is equal to integral 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x dx, right? We can have it like this. In case if you do not want to strike this, since we already have this 2y is equal to this, let me take this as some 3. We don't want to cancel it. If you don't want to cancel it, you can still retain it like this, right? And take this as 4. So what we can do is we can add 3 and 4. 3 plus 4 will give me 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x dx, positive 2 times integral 0 to pi over 2 cos squared x dx. On the left you have 2i and then you have 2i, right? So this is going to be 4 times I. Okay, now I can actually take 2 out. If I take 2 out, I get 0 to pi over 2 sine squared x. I can club these two things together, cos squared x times dx, is it not? And you have 4 times I. Now this 2 divides 4 2 times, so you have so let me use this part of this space. So you have 2 times I is equal to sine squared x plus cos squared x is nothing but 1. So you have integral 0 to pi over 2 dx. So you integrate this, you get 0 to pi over 2. So you substitute this, you get pi over 2. On the left you have 2 times I. So that means I is equal to pi over 4. So that is the solution for this question.